She gave me her car. Put some barbecue sauce on it. That's what I'm gonna serve with them. Same thing. Barbie jerk, Barbie, same shit. It's chicken. Who gonna pay $40 a pound for one lobster? Boy, I may tell you, this Canadian weather, keep you humble, eh? Yo, when you think you moisturize, nope. 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 Hi friends, my name is Tamara and this is my channel. Welcome, welcome. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today I'll be cooking Escovitch fish, but I'm not going to show you the process because I already have 2 videos on YouTube with it. I have a short and I think I have a regular video up, so I'll link those so you can see the process for that. It's the side that I'm going to serve it with that it's going to make it interesting, only because it's going to be like a Jamaican version of fish and chips, my version of fish and chips. So y'all know the norm is maybe like a haddock or a cod that's breaded really with a beer batter and deep fried, so it's crispy, it's crunchy outside, it's moist and juicy inside, and it's served with a side of french fries. So I'm going to be doing Escovitch fish, so obviously my version, and then I'm going to make homemade fries from scratch. So that's the interesting part, not the Escovitch itself, only because I've had videos up, or only because I have videos up already, but it's the side that I'm serving it with, and yeah, it's my version. My friend had given me a tire rim months ago, and I've had it in my car trunk for months, like I said, and I finally got it to a coal stove. Is it really a stove though? But I'm gonna call it a coal stove. And this is what I'm going to fry my fish on, because I don't fry fish inside, because oh my god, it stinks up the whole house for maybe 2 weeks. It doesn't matter what I burn. People say light candle, people say make a pot pourri and cook that, boil that off while you're cooking the fish. People say boil cinnamon leaf, people say boil lime and lemon peel or the skin. Nothing works for me. It stinks up the whole house. It stinks up the jackets in the closet, in the coat closet. It stinks up everything. Everything smells like fish for weeks. So I'm not doing that. I don't fry fish inside. So we're gonna go outside to my coal stove, and it's cold outside. It's no joke. It's like 7 degrees. It's Celsius. I'm in Canada. Yeah, so we're gonna go outside to do this fish, and I'm excited because I know it's going to be delicious because I'm making it. And side note, so I also wanted to do Escovitch lobster, and it's like a lobster hunt. I went to the grocery store. I went to the Asian grocery store. It was like $19 a pound. I'm like, not today, not today. I went to a seafood depot. It's a grocery store / seafood spot where they sell every kind of seafood. They have everything. Live lobsters, like the 3-pounders, they're pretty big. They look really good. That was $40 a pound. The smaller ones are like $25 a pound. I'm like, not today. I went to the frozen section. Those are the fresh. I went to the frozen section. They had one jumbo one for like $40 and smaller ones for a little bit, like 35, 30, whatever something. I'm like, absolutely not. So I went to my best friend Costco. Costco come true clutch. They're not that big, but they're not that small either. And I have 6 tails in here for $73.75. In my book, that's a win. Because who's going to pay $40 a pound and one lobster weighs 3 pounds. So do the math. Your girl don't have no money like that. So Costco come true again. My fries are ready. I'm gonna blanch them off and then I'm gonna fry them. So I'm gonna blanch them, but I'm not gonna fry them at a low temperature. I'm going to steam them a little bit so they get a little bit softer, and then I'm gonna fry it, and we'll have nice fresh homemade french fries. So this is my little, well, it's not little, it's big. This is what I'm gonna use to blanch my fries. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water in here, put this in because it fits exact. Then I'm gonna cover it and steam it for, I don't know, just till tender, so maybe 3 minutes. And my handle is broken, but I'm not throwing away the pot because it makes no sense. It's just the handle that's broken. So c'est la vie. So remember my garlic oil? That's what I'm going to be using to make my french fries. Look at this deliciousness. So as soon as it comes out, you're going to want to toss it with some salt. Oh my god, so good! Let me tell you something. Look at this! Oh my god! And you know what the craziest thing is? This is all mine. This is all mine. I don't have to share with anyone because my fiance don't eat lobster. The only thing he eats from the sea is fish. So this is all me. Maybe I should call my sister. And if she not answer, too bad for her. Then I'll just send her a picture. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did it again. Again. Escovitch lobster. Hey, when food sweet, I can't touch it. There's no words. All me. Then I have my homemade fries. Little tartar sauce. I didn't show you the video for this, but I will one day. I'll link the video for my Escovitch fish. Because I have a short and I have a regular video. But the part I really wanted to show was the homemade fries. When I tell you, you know how sometimes you go to a restaurant and you order fries or a side fries and it come out beautiful, crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside? They made it in-house. We need one fork. Fried fish. This is my version of fish and chips. It's not for the faint of heart. Because all of y'all think that fish comes in a fillet all the time. Oh my God. I did it again. When I cook, for the most part, I have no one to share it with. I just have to shove it all in my face hole. And do it again, and then again, and then again. If you got to this part and you hadn't subscribed, please subscribe. Tell your friend, share, do all the things. Thank you for watching. Thank me for cooking. Stay true to yourself. Be kind to everyone. You'll see me in the next one.
And action.
You have to adjust.
I did.
You have to adjust the thing.
I did.
You can see you. When your siblings pop up and you talk about they're hungry. Story time. So
She gave me her car.
I have 2 cars by. I couldn't see it at the time, but I gave her the older one.
Best decision. Best decision. Crop it out.
Not crap it out. Say it again. Best decision ever.
She's ever
Tell me
made.
how this car is. It's really old, but tell me how she excited. It's her first car. Oh my God.
Who would it be?
So, anyways,
I've been buying a lot of decorations. That's why she's saying that.
she buy all sort of frangandanga she put on at the car. Like you wouldn't even recognize the car anymore. But anyways,
Tints and everything.
my girl tint the car. My girl buy all sort of accessories for the car.
License plate cover.
License plate cover.
Steering wheel cover.
Steering. Now I'm home watching some YouTube, chilling and relaxing. Who have lice now come pop up on me? Oh, we're hungry. What do you have to eat? Tell me how my brother bought you more steak. Steak where? What steak? Anyways. When you have younger siblings, and you have my keys, don't you?
I'm the youngest.
You have my key, right?
Okay.
You have my house key.
No, I don't. Mom does.
That means you're gonna come in on my house when me not there cause they have car.
And key.
And they are gonna rob me. They are gonna rob me blind. Like, I should change my lock on all of you.
There's nothing. Mom has the key. I don't have the key.
So when y'all come and try to come in my house, it don't work.
I keep
Cause
looking again in here like something.
lock you know out. Yeah,
no
they have
shirt.
a car now, so they're dipping and doing and going everywhere. And that's gonna include popping up on me last minute or when I'm not here and robbing me blind. Oh my God, I'm scared. Anyways, they come for something to eat like I'm their mother.
Here.
There's this girl watching in my fridge talking about there's nothing in my fridge. Are you not coming from home?
Yes.
Okay.
There's nothing there.
I'm barely here. I don't have to have anything in my fridge.
You look tired.
I am tired.
You used to buy candy.
This girl's in my cupboard. She's in my fridge.
You used to buy candy.
Oh my god.
For sis. You used to buy candy for sis. And I used to take some.
Just making some fries, some
Yum.
Costco fries in the oven.
Yum.
Because this is what I have.
What
And
is
I'm going
that?
to give them some chicken spring roll.
Ooh. It looks like burger.
I have some chicken, some barbecue fried chicken. No, it's like, it's not a barbecue fried chicken. It's jerk Barbie. So I jerk some chicken and put
Jerk
some barbecue.
Barbie.
Put some barbecue sauce on it. That's
Barbie
what I'm going to
jerk.
serve with them.
Barbie
Same
jerk.
thing. Barbie jerk Barbie, same shit. It's chicken. You don't want to try this? I can make this.
I mean, I do, but like with that, I don't think it'll like it. Maybe he'll like it, but like I kind of want to, you know, sweet.
Let me see. I can take a like it.
What about this?
It's going to be good.
Yeah, but what you want me to try? Does
Yes.
that- Okay.
Oh my gosh. These kids, eh?
With like chicken and stuff.
Oh my god, it's free food.
I know, but
when it's free, it tastes good. When you have to pay for it,
this is sweet.
you're
too.
hoping it's free.
I mean, free too.
Well, that's not what I meant to say. When you have to pay for it, then it's expected to be
Sometimes
good.
when I eat food, I need something to like wash it down, or else sometimes
So what is it?
I'll throw up a little bit.
What
I
is
need
it?
something sweet, like
It is sweet.
okay.
I promise
Is
you're
it
gonna like it.
green?
No, it's not green tea. It's chai.
Yeah, okay.
I don't even have juice. I have water. Oh, you come home.
Yeah.
She go always like, I want to do that. Why not? Tell her she's missing out. Say, Mom, you're missing
There would
out.
have been no chicken for her anyways.
No, what should I want to see away?
Multiple choice exam, 20 questions, true and false, multiple choice.
Come show on the plate. Cause I wanna know me one time I'm hungry. When I don't want food. Put it up on blast on YouTube. Anyone, they're the same.
All right, we have our dinner. Dinner served.
Anyone, Kyle.
I
They're
don't
the
know why you're
same.
trying to look at the one that's big. Yay. Can't really see, but here we go.
Come tell him what you have.
Oh yeah, you
I can cut today. Garlic bread, spring
Hold on.
rolls, fries, chicken. It's a lot.
Yum.
For somebody who didn't have anything, I found something. They're so excited because they always love when I cook, so it's everything to them right now. Even though it's nothing to me, because whatever. But you know, they're. You have to take a skin.
That's
man.
what
That will fit in the bottle.
sisters are for.
Yeah, before I'm hungry, that's all. See, so now they're eating. They're gonna be really full because a lot of food. And I bet as they have the last bite, they're gonna say, okay, we gotta go. It's too much, it's too much. Watch that one over there so I eat like I'm a prisoner. Somebody's loving the food, huh? This thing is, this one over here that y'all can't see, supposed to be in class, online. I'm worried because they're gonna pop up on me. Or pop up when I'm not here because they have a key. Oh my god, it's scary. Ah! They're gonna pop up and rob me. But no matter what, I always know when somebody comes here. Whether I'm here or not. And I'm pretty sure y'all out there in the internet, in the .com world, knows when somebody comes over when you're not home. Whether it's your parents or whoever may have a key for your apartment or house. You always know when somebody comes inside. It's crazy how that works.